Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mandy and I uplift others to transform their bodies, minds, and lives. This is the space to come to for motivational, mindset, manifestation, and movement content. And today I have a 5-minute lower body workout that's also a how to do the middle splits as y'all have requested it. So let's get to it. y'all are feeling more flexible out there. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and just be sure to hit that little notification bell so you'll be informed each and every time I upload new videos, and I have tons coming up for you guys, so please make sure you do. On top of that, guys, I love reading your comments, so please leave one in the video description below letting me know, how are you feeling today after this stretch session with me? As well, guys, I am going to put some links below on today's fit fashions, as you saw in today's video, links to my one-on-one mindset, health, and manifestation coaching, link to my programs, a link to, a free Facebook community group that I started called Pave Your Paradise. And in that group, guys, you'll be able to connect with other high vibers. And I also post additional free motivational and all sorts of cool content in there. So if you guys want to join that, it again is Pave Your Paradise. You can just search it on Facebook. Just click the join group and I will approve y'all so you guys can join this amazing community I started. Let's see, as always, I also, speaking of which, love connecting with you all on social media. I'm on TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all the places, and it's pretty much across the board at Mandy J. Ross. As well, my website is mandyjross.com if you want more information on my coaching or just on my background. You guys can also look at my website. I have free additional content on there as well, which is my blog, and I do have my Pave Your Paradise podcast, so you guys can listen to episodes on there as well. Guys, honestly, I love connecting with you every single week. So reach out, whether it's here on YouTube or the other social platforms. You just want to drop me an email, mandy@mandyjross.com, and I would be happy to connect with y'all further. On that final, but last but certainly not least, positive note, as always, I'm wishing y'all a blessed and beautiful day out there.